Frank Jackson back the big Walker.
Did you bring any water?
Yeah, it's in the car, buddy. We'll get some in a minute, Bubba. Okay, give me a minute. I'm videotaping, and I'll give you some money and go get some, okay?
This is a 30 Cyclone era racer, Highline racer. And of course, I believe the only GBI show is probably Jeff Anderson of St. Charles, Illinois, Lucky 7. This was a bucket seat strapped on behind a huge radio ambulance, so this isn't even much different as you can see what's going around the sky. Pretty good. Strictly made for turning around pilings. Recently, in later years, it was reconstructed in full size and camping around the air show circuit by Grandma Benjamin. And that's turning up on the elevator. That's what it's made for.
Still filming on this?
Yeah, I missed that last one.
Okay, I'm going to tell you something.